Okay, so you can able to see the screen and can you able to hear me, everyone? All right, so let's start. Just 1 second. Okay, so guys, let's start now. So thank you for joining today's workshop. And normally I used to do on Sunday, but that's fine. So today we'll take on this Saturday. So the name of the workshop which I'm planning to make today is EDA automation using LLM frameworks, like Mistral, Ollama, Gradio, UI. So let me tell you, so this workshop is most benefits for data analyst, data scientist, and business analyst guys. So I will explain what exactly agenda and all those things. So it's going to be take quite more time, and we're going to work together. So as usual, so this is what name of the workshops. Pretty clear. So who is audience? The audience could be data analyst, the audience could be data scientist, and the audience could be business analyst. So we try to use three frame. I mean Mistral AI, Ollama, and Gradio UI. Okay, next one. All right. So the agenda very simple today. So just introductions. If I won't take much time, and then introductions to EDA because I already done previous workshops on EDA. So this is advanced versions of it. So second one, introduced to LLM model. So I'll share you the previous workshop link to understand in depth about LLM models. And we start the projects using end-to-end projects we build. And I'll just announce for the new students who joined about new batch schedule, and I will share some existing workshop link. Pretty clear. It's very simple and straightforward. So the two things I just want to focus more on: Ollama, Mistral, and Gradio. We do the projects today, guys. Clear? I hope the voice is louder, and there's no problem from my side, isn't it? Just give me confirmations. If yes, then we can continue this, guys. Okay. That's fine. All right. Let's go back. And the thing is, first, all right. So here we go. So the first thing, I think you can reach out LinkedIn, my LinkedIn. And in this LinkedIn, you can find out my ID and password. So I'll share to everyone. So the student who never knew me before, you can catch me on LinkedIn. I'm experienced a person and still working, and also I'm experienced in training field as well. So I normally conduct many workshops. So I'll share this link here so you can find out. And this is all my page creations where you can find out my profiles and all those things. You can catch me from here, guys. Pretty clear. So this is all about my introductions. You can see I have 18 plus a year experience, and still I'm yeah. So I do provide a lot of corporate training, and this is what companies I worked before. And you can see my experiences before, where did I work before and which companies. And there's a lot of things you can find out from this LinkedIn detail. All right. So the first thing, just go back and the first one. So we discussed now my introductions. So we don't take much time on introductions, and I shared my LinkedIn ID where you can connect me through the LinkedIn and you can ask your query. You can ask your query over there. Pretty clear? Okay, this part is done. So the next one. So the next point, if you refer to first point is clear. Next, introductions to EDA. So I hope does everybody know what is meant by EDA? So what exactly the EDA, why it is important for data analyst, for data scientist, for business analyst. So exploratory data analysis is the process of analyzing and visualize data set to understand before apply any ML model, guys. or statistical technique. Yes, to cleaning data and all those things. It helps identify patterns, relationships, missing value, and anomalies in the data. So my new batch students, no problem. If you do not understand, I will share this. Sir, it will use DevOps. No, it won't use DevOps, Srinivas. But still, yeah, while cleaning the data, yes, it can follow some of the technique, EDA technique. Yeah, it will use while cleaning the data here as well. All right. And the next one, so why EDA? So that's what, if you, I will share this previous workshop link. I will share my GitHub where I can post all the slides to you. So anyone can refer the previous workshops and you can understand EDA in depth, because this is what more practical sessions. So I'll give a little light on it, EDA. So what exactly EDA, guys? That means this is exploratory data analysis. All right. So exploratory data analysis. I'll show you some of normally how to build EDA. Normally we build using frameworks like Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. So it helps identify patterns, relationship, and meshing values of the data, guys. So before I go back to EDA, I will show you some of the presentations and then little spend time on 5 minutes on EDA, and then we get back to the next thing. All right, just 1 second. I think I'll go here and all right. So I already done previous workshop. I will share this doc. And if you see this data, do you see, guys, this data set has missing values or not? This data set has missing values, isn't it? This value is missing. So in this data set, this is numerical data, this is categorical data. So someone has to fill this data by apply which techniques? Anyone? So how to fill the missing numerical data, guys? So if in your project, because normally you work on a projects, or maximum, most of the data sets are missing value. So in this case, we apply which strategy? Mean strategy. So the concept missing value treatment. You cannot visualize the data if the data has many missing values. All right, in the stock market, if more stock values are missing, the graph doesn't make more sense. So categorized into two parts, data can be divided two type: numerical data, categorical data. Yeah, this is numbers. So if numerical data missing, we implement mean strategy or median strategy or mode strategy, guys. What is mean? You take an average. So 10 plus 20 plus 30. What is, guys? 30 plus 30, 60 by 3, which is mean. So I'm going to replace with 20. Understand, guys? So how to do this this is all those things we done in manually. Before we done manual, okay, and this is what numerical value. And if you see the categorical value, so we have these missing. So how do I fill with this? We using mode strategy. Understand, using mode, because winter has repeats more time, so that's what we just fill with winter strategy. So rather than I can visualize this, I can visualize this data. Rather than I can visualize this, I will visualize this data. So how to fill, how exactly happens, because I don't take right now, because I already take the previous sessions. So I will share this link, workshop link. You can try to find out and you can work the projects, guys. Pretty clear. So so there's a two things I wanted to introduce. The one is raw data and clean data. So the first thing is raw data and clean data. So raw data, that means the data set which has missing value. Data set means Excel sheet, guys. And this, the data set which does not has any missing value. So this is called a clean data. So can you please answer me? Normally, where we go for visualizations, we need to go for visualizations on raw data or clean data. Please respond. Raw data or clean data. So normally, how do we go for the next step? So first we need to go for clean data. Then we go for visualizations, and then visualizations, and then imputations, and then we build a machine learning model. Then we go for machine learning model. Pretty clear? So exploratory data analysis, I had very nice, wonderful workshops. I want you to select this YouTube link. And once you select this YouTube link, and when you copy over here, so you will find the detail of these informations, guys. So if you check this, so this is what my previous workshop link, I'll already shared you. You can watch it, guys. Pretty clear, team? Okay. So this is what correlations graph. All the correlations comes under EDA, correlations between columns, attributes, and outlier detections. If you see this outlier, so if you see this picture, so in this picture, so all persons are below 50, but there is a person who is available 300 kilos. So he's outlier or not? He's an outlier, guys. So this concept is called outlier. And also, if in employee in a organizations there are 10 employee salary is less than 50K and one employee salary is 2 lakhs, he is outlier. Understand? So this outlier concepts I already explained in that previous EDA sessions. I'll give you the workshops link. You can watch that again. Understand, team? So dummy variable, if you see there are 3 seasons: sunny, rainy, winter, winter, rainy. So sunny, rainy, winter. So we just impute with 1, 0, 0. So because when you build machine learning models, your machine learning model never understand the category. So we have to convert to category to numerical, and then we build machine learning model, guys. Pretty clear? So here we go. So this all the concepts comes under EDA technique. Did you understand, team? This all the concepts comes under EDA technique. So here, so process of, in database we have raw data. In database we have raw data, guys. Understand? And now we apply EDA techniques to convert raw data to clean data, then visualize, then apply statistics, then build machine learning model building. Pretty clear up to this, guys? So this is raw data. Normally in the database, we have raw data. For example, you go to the shopping mall, you enter your details, but sometimes you didn't give your details to that. So that means the missing data has formed, created. Pretty clear? So today we got some clarity about raw data. Pretty clear? The new students, I hope my existing students, they know, but the new students, if you have any questions on that, no problem. I want you to watch the previous workshops and you can find out. So I'll tell you. So normally EDA technique is NIQUE is very important to convert raw data to clean data, and also imputations technique, and it will convert. Imputation techniques means, guys, what happened, it's also called as transformer, which transformer is dummy variable which transform categorical value to numbers. And then we build for machine learning model predictions. Pretty clear up to this? So this is all about your little intro about EDA. Okay, next step. So guys, I hope you understood now, dear team. All right, so the next part is, go to, here we go, slideshow from current slides. All right, so EDA, it helps identify patterns. So using which library we use this, guys? Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. Show the PDF doc. Yeah, I will share, Hanumant. I will share the link as well. No need to worry, because I already explained EDA early workshop. I will share this link and I will confirm you. Once you receive, then you let me know. Okay, Hanumant? So I will give all these documents so that you can download. Okay, so you have theory, practicals, and everything. That's fine. Next one, key steps of EDA. We understand data. Without understand data, you cannot visualize. Load the data and check the structure using head function. What is head function does, team? You can respond in chart window. You can respond in chart window. What is head function does? Anybody? It will display. It will display top 5 rows. Very good. What is info does? What is info does? Info head means if you load a data set, it will display top 5 rows, isn't it? It will display top 5 rows. What exactly info does? Information of the data set. Data set means Excel sheet, guys. Informations of the data set. Understand? What is describe does? Describes gives us descriptive statistics of the data set. Descriptive stats of the data set. Okay, so the new students, no worries. I will tell you all those things in upcoming classes. It handle missing value. So if the data has any missing value, the EDA technique, the EDA technique would help. The EDA technique would help to fill missing value. Understand, guys? By which technique? If it is numerical data, we apply mean, median, mode. If categorical data is missing, categorical data is missing, then we'll apply more. Then we apply mode and KNN strategy. All right. Yeah. So this is all those things. Identify outlier. What is outlier? One man odd. That means, I hope you know that means what is outlier, guys? It is, let's say, if you check this, all points are red points. Now I will change to some other points. Those comes under outlier. Outlier means one, there is a data points which far from other observations. If I show you some of the examples from here, yeah, you can check this outlier. When you go for outlier, just let's check images. In this graph, how many outliers, guys? One outlier. In this graph, how many outliers? Two outliers, isn't it? So here in this graph, how many outliers? Anybody? In this graph, you have data which is very far from other observations. We have 4 outliers, correct? In this graph, how many outliers? This is 1 outliers. So this outliers will impact machine learning algorithms, guys. So this, how to adjust these outliers, what is quartile, all those things, you need to be unlearned in the sessions. So this is not the EDA sessions. I already take the sessions existing. I already had wonderful workshops. I will give you the link and you can watch it. Pretty clear what is meant by outlier? So outlier means the data point in statistic, in stats, the data point which is very far from other observation is called outlier. Okay. Yes, that's right. So this part is done. And the next one, visualize data. Yeah, just now you can visualize data, guys. If you plot the graph, one, two, three, and you plot another graph. So this is outlier graph or not, guys? So how do you understand the outlier, guys? So for example, in the stock market, 3 days, the stock is going to be 10, 10, 10. All right. Okay, you invest a stock market, guys. First day 10, you profit, 10 profit, 10 profit. Suddenly you profit 200. It's outlier or not? It's a wow factor. Sometimes you spend 1,000, and one day you get 10. So this 10 is a outliers. Pretty clear? Okay, so the next one is feature correlations. Correlations. What is correlations, guys? I hope you understood. Let's plot the correlations. If you see the two graph, let's say in Hyderabad, there is a square feet of the house and price of the house, isn't it? So 100 square feet, 200 square feet, 300 square feet. So the house is 1 CR, 2 CR, and 3 CR. Can I plot the data points here? For example, I have an Excel team. So in this Excel, I'll mention the square feet and price of the house. The square feet is 100 square feet, 200 square feet, 300 square feet, 1 CR, 2 CR, 3 CR. Can I plot the data points or not? So this is 3 CR. So can I make a positive correlations, guys? What is correlation? The relationship among two attribute is called correlation. So if you see the cricket matches, if the both match graph is going like this, then it's interesting to watch. In stocks, you have to more responsible to this graph. Okay. So correlations, the next one is correlation. So guys, this is not EDA session. I just introduce relation among two attributes. Relation among two attributes is called correlation. Do we divide into how many part, guys? Positive correlation, negative core, and no correlations, zero correlations. So zero correlations. So the range is 0 to 1. And this one, the range is -1 to 0. And this one, no correlations, guys. Pretty clear how exactly the graph looks like. For example, one more example, and then we can have one note. And let's try to see this. And let's try to draw this image. Draw and tell me if the stop is in decrease. Will you buy the stock? Yes or no? Answer me. If the stock is decrease, would you buy the stock, guys? Yes or no? No. If you check the stock is increase, would you buy the stock? Yes. So this is no, this is yes. So remember, wherever you see this type of graph, it is a positive sign. So this is called positive correlations. This is negative correlations. Pretty clear? So the relation between two variable means two column is called correlation. Okay, that's good. So we understood. So here we go. Now minimize it. And then feature engineering. Yeah, we already, so guys, I hope pretty good enough. Now EDA, little introductions to EDA we discussed. Intro EDA, we just done. Pretty clear, everyone? Okay, all the students. Now, what is the second part? So today we discuss my introductions we covered and we talk about EDA. So I'll share my workshop link. So I will share workshop, existing workshop. Please watch it. Please watch it. Okay, now third point. What is third one? LLM models. Third one. So that's what the name of the title is. What is name of the title, guys? EDA automation. EDA we learned. Now what next? LLM frameworks. What is LLM frameworks, guys? Okay, I want to give you clarity. The first GPT created, okay, chat gpt, isn't it? Chat gpt is LLM applications, guys, who's created by OpenAI. Now one, see, this is what happened in India. Competitions market, guys. If one guy build the house, I'll also construct the house. One guy open the shop, another guy open shop. This is a competitions world, and yes, we have to do the competitions. It's good. So the same things, when the chat gpt started, now by look at who created chat gpt, OpenAI company. This is LLM, large language model. Next LLM names Cloudy. Right now 3.7 Sonnet. 3.7 Sonnet has. Yes, Sashank. You can by quartile you can do this. Yeah, you can find out. So if you see, yes, Bharat GPT also there. Now Cloudy has created whom, guys? Entropic. Gemini has created by DeepMind. Quen has done by Alibaba. DeepSeek R1 has done by DeepSeek. Llama 3 has done by Meta. Mixtral and Mixtral has done by Mistral AI. These are the companies, guys, who develop the LLM applications to build. Understand? All right. And the next one comes up is Nemotron, which is NVIDIA. Pi 3. Last week I built agentic AI. It was amazing workshop, and so you can watch this agentic AI. Company was Microsoft. The command R Cohera. The new market is Grok 1, which is Xi, created by Elon Musk. So these are LLMs, guys. You got clarity, guys, who is develop which company and which LLMs you are using. Yep. So you got some clarity. Understand? So in this practical today's sessions, we're gonna work with this AI, guys. Which one? Mistral. I'm used this one, Mistral. In previous workshops, I already done OpenAI, Google DeepMind, DeepSeek, Meta, Microsoft, and then Mistral. And I'm going to work on Grok 1, which is very popular among everything. So, Pawan, using LangChain framework, we build LLM. Understand, Pawan? So these are the LLM model. ChatGPT developed. So what is difference between LangChain? Okay, using LangChain framework, we will build ChatGPT. Clear now? So LangChain is a framework. Okay, so this part. So we discuss what is meant by LLM model and who developed this, guys. LLM model and who developed it. Who developed it? We just discussed now. Pretty clear? Understand, guys? So which LLM we're going to use now? Mistral AI. So which LLM we're going to use? Mistral AI. The fourth one. Next, go to the fourth one. So today we do the projects. In these projects, I'm using Python programming. Yeah, I'm Shashank. I'm Grok 1 has recent launch, so I'm working on it. Once I done, I will take the workshops on it. So programming language Python. We'll use Python programming, Python concepts, loops, and functions we use today. And we use IDE VS Code, or maybe you can use like, what else, guys? Like Jupyter as well. You can try that. And next one is LLM model Mistral AI, and we create a front-end UI called Gradio, and we use Titanic data set. Okay, everyone watch Titanic movie or not? In the Titanic movie, what happened? The ship has sink, so the passengers has died. So we use those things and we apply in these Mistral AI. Let's see how exactly it's going to work. I will share the GitHub link to download the data set. Pretty clear? So shall we start the projects, everybody? Shall we start? Everyone. This practical is going to be amazing and everyone will work with me. And this superb, I try, just I hands on it and it was so good. Let's do this. Okay, so get ready. Now, first thing, first Ollama. Before that, Ollama. Ollama, we can use large language model local in your computer. Okay, no need to fetch any API key. Without fetch any API key, we call Ollama. So let's escape it. And I want to go back to this one. And I want everybody to go to Google and type Ollama and then open and then right click Ollama. Please do it, everyone. Please do it, everyone. So the first one, let's start the project. Let's start the project now. Everyone, work with me and it's going to be amazing. So the students who don't know how to install VS Code, you try with Jupyter Notebook. If you try with Jupyter Notebook, if you stuck somewhere, if you got the error, if you got the bug, just the session is live in YouTube. So yeah, last time you people watch all these workshops, but you never comments, guys. You never likes it and you never share it, but it's up to you. Okay. But this time, please, I need at least 200, 300 likes and then good comments. Okay. If you not now, after complete the projects, let's do this. Okay. So here we go. So start the project. First one, Ollama. Go to Google and here we go. Let's go to Google and type Ollama. And once you type Ollama, so what is Ollama, guys? We build LLMs locally, means in local system, okay? So that's what, once you go back, please download the model, please download. And if your system is Windows, and if system is Mac, or if system is Linux, and based on your, yeah, I will share the model later, and you can select on Windows and then download for Windows, guys. Once you download for Windows, just go back and the model is downloading. Do you see the model is downloading? So how many of them already done before? How many of them already done before? Okay, fantastic. Very good. The students who already done, the learners who already done, that's good. So the new learners who haven't done, so please do so. Please do so. Okay, that's fine. I can see some good responses. Yeah, yeah. See, I will show you. That's the project is going on. Okay, Atharv. So it will take more memory. Yeah. No, we're not going to train, man. If you're going to train, it is a manual. It's not automations, right, Atharv? Yeah. So no, we don't do that. We don't train here. Please install. And after you download, just go to the today aram se karenge, no need to hurry bari. So just calm down. I want everyone to be finished this project. So please give link. What link you want, Chandrasekhar? Very simple. Go to Google. Okay. Go to Google and type Ollama. And which link you want, Chandrasekhar? And then download it, Ollama. So we build LLMs locally, because most companies are depends on, they don't want API keys to develop the project. So that's why they're suggesting to use Ollama a lot in their working platforms or in organizations for their latest projects. Understand? So that's what, if you try to work now, you could be expert on it. Okay. So have you done now? Did you install? After download, install. Once you install Ollama, download as per your OS, as per Windows OS, and install it. After install it, okay. See guys, if you are connecting in mobile Wi-Fi, if you're connecting mobile hotspot, please do it later, because it will hamper your learning. It will hamper your learning. All right. So let me tell you. So the session is going on live. So you can, I will share this. Go to Naresh IT YouTube. And if you see this here, and the session is live, guys, you can try to find out from there. Pretty clear? No, no, no. So Sashank, that's why. All right. Do you see the session is live? I'm going to copy this link and I'm shared to everyone. I'm sharing to everyone. Okay, check this one. So this is all about the live link, and you can, okay. So just go back and we shared this. The live link is, okay, live video. All right. So the students who connect in hotspot, do it later. Yeah. Puneet, I shared YouTube link. Please refer this. Or you can share to your friends as well. Just go back and do this. All right. Yeah. It will present. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Shankar, it will present. It will present. It will present. No need to worry. Okay. So after install, so I'm just waiting, but let me tell you before you go for install, what is benefit of Ollama? It runs locally, no internet required after installations. Have you seen this, guys? No installations required. I mean, no internet is required after installations. That means you can build LLMs without internet as well. It support open source model. What are the open source? Llama, Gemma, 5, Mistral, all those things. It uses GPU accelerations. Internally, it accelerates GPU, even though your laptop is CPU, but works like GPU. 4 years. Is this helpful? Yes, yes. Yashwant, it's helpful. I will answer your questions. All right. I'll answer your question. Yes, Yashwant, many Java students are joining in my batch. So it's 100% yes, helpful. Okay, Yashwant. I can see your chat, guys. No problem. So I don't skip anyone's query. Simple installation. Sir, is Ollama like a Llama framework? No, Rishi. Ollama is different. Llama is different. Llama has created by Meta. Okay. Ollama is a framework which you installed in your system. The way you install the software in your system, the same way Ollama have to install. So you develop your LLM models. Done. So customize model for specific task. Let me know once you're done. So what is good part of that? No internet required, guys. No internet is required. In company also they stop internet or not? While you work, no internet is required. After installations of Ollama, please everyone chat, confirm me, is it done or not? Is it done or not? Everyone installed Ollama? So how do you go? Just go to Google, and once you go to Google and type here, just you type as Ollama and download and install. Cool. After install, just there's a two thing. Open a CMD, command prompt. Everyone open a command prompt. So in this command prompt, type Ollama, type Ollama, the first one. So after installations, next step, follow me what I'm saying. Just, okay. Now enter. When you see, do you see this, guys? So you can have like, yeah, but high parameters models affect our systems. Yeah, see, that's what every system has limitations, right? So it's provide GPU accelerate. So that's what we install Ollama, where we build LLMs on top of the Ollama, guys. So what happened? Maximum work it can done, but if not, then you can use your API key, which you have to change to other model. Okay, Tarun. Okay, so after you done this, do you see you can have, so we have pull a model from registry. So before that, which model you have, can you please list? So try to check Ollama list. So if you execute this right now, how many model you have? Anyone tell me how many model you have, guys? Two model, right? Three. Two model, DeepSeek, Llama 2, I already done. If you're new, if you're doing for the first time, you can see only one model. If you have two, that's fine. So right now, I have to fetch Mistral model to my system. I have to fetch Mistral. So how do you pull Ollama? Do you see pull Ollama? Do you see this command is available command? I'm just not doing anything. I'm just referring the command. So no models after installing first time in machine. Purna, did you join late? See, guys, let me tell you, the student, yeah. See, after Ollama pull, Mistral. Okay, see, guys, I'll answer you. Okay, I know few guys will get error. Few learners will get error. So don't be panic. So don't be panic. Okay, because see, if I try to solve your error, okay, then I cannot complete my project. As it is, you can ping me in LinkedIn as I give it to you, and if you're my existing students, I will connect you in the session and we will fix it. Okay, team. Okay, learners who got some bugs, pretty fine, so that it not hamper on the today's code. Now after you've done this, yeah, so if you see this Ollama pull Mistral, no man, it's bug. It's, I know it's not bug. It's empty means what I do, because you have to check it. You have to do it properly. Okay, Karthik. So if you Ollama pull Mistral, when you try to pull Mistral, just execute. The Mistral is pulling. Now you can check. So please write next code. So how many code we done after installations? Then the first code is Ollama first code. Second code is Ollama list. Third one, Ollama pull Mistral. The third one, Ollama run Mistral. Let me copy all this code and just type here, and I'm going to use a chart window and execute it. Just send in the chart. So just go back, and here the same way we done DeepSeek earlier or not? Now this, what is the next one? Ollama run Mistral. Now execute. So when you execute, do you see the model is running in my machine. So that's what, guys, if your system is 4 GB RAM, might be it takes some time. Or you can say, hi, how are you? Now, so just I'm asking questions. Now the Ollama model responds, guys. Do you see this now? Do you see this? So now I want to check how many of them completed till this. I know, Sumit. So if you're working in 4 GB, if you're working in, I'll ask, what is Mistral? What is Mistral? Okay. Explain me. Explain me. Okay, try this now. Mine is 16 GB RAM. It's working. So CPU also. So please confirm me how many of them done. Okay, Suresh, I will provide the link. Just 1 second. And this is what link here. Just go to chat and everyone. Okay. Ask for news. It will reply. Yes, yes, Pawan, you can ask for a news. You can ask anything to that. It's pulling. So do you see I got this all updates? So do you see LLM models we done, I mean, got response automatically? I didn't train any data. I didn't load any text to pre-trained. So everything done. So that's the power of Ollama, and it fetch the model. Which model? Mistral. The same way. If you go to the Ollama websites, do you see the model responses or not? Seems like we create R1. Exactly, Aryan. It's look like. Do you see this, guys? Mistral. So if you refer the website, go to models, how many models you can do it? DeepSeek, Llama, 5.4, every models you can fetch from Quen, you can fetch from Ollama, guys. Do you see this? In this Ollama platform, how many model we can fetch? You can fetch DeepSeek, Llama, 5.4, Llama 3, and Mistral, and Nomic, Llama 3, Quen, Gemma, all the open source model you can fetch. So today you got the clarity that how Ollama works and how to fetch the model. I hope you guys clear. So today we learned like, so any open source model can run on the top of Ollama. Yeah, Sumit, this is all open source model, right? For socket issue while Ollama pull Mistral, use below link. So guys, how many of them completed? Just type D. Just type D, the one who done. Raghavinder, for socket issue while running Ollama, use the below link. Can you try this link? Oh, okay, okay. You give suggestions to someone? Okay, thanks, buddy. Okay, Sashank, you ask your questions only, but you not work. You haven't done yet. So 4 GB RAM, it will take some time. So no need to be panic, guys. Clear now? Had taken, sir, I had taken, what's your query? Done, very good. Ollama pull Mistral in progress. 4% complete. Vishnu, why it's so late? I'm able to run. How are you? Command. Very good. And mine working now. Very good. So Grok is also framework. Grok, yes, Grok is LPU. Okay, Grok is LPU. Pulling Mistral. It will take time, although my laptop fast 8 GB, but SSD. That's fine. 30 minutes remaining. Now, guys, please check 75%. I want you to test any code. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. No need to worry. Okay. So what is Mistral? Damodar, I told you Mistral is LLM models. What is ChatGPT, Damodar? What is ChatGPT? Oh, okay, okay. You ask a question, you got answer. Very good. No, I am able to run. Very good. After Ollama run, I'm unable to process high. Ollama after Ollama run Mistral. Would you get like this message prompt? Do you see you got a prompt? See, guys, the student who can't do, you have to wait for some time because you have to do, because I cannot check everyone's and I can see that whether it's working or not, but you can try it later. If you are new students, then you ping me in my LinkedIn. If my existing students, then no problem. I can help you later. Clear? In the class, I'll guide you how to do that. Okay, that's fine. So how do you come out of it? So everyone clear? Everyone clear? Let's ask another query, last query to the Ollama. And what is Grok, the new LLMs? What is Grok? Grok. Grook and Grok both are different. So Grok is that coined by Stainsford Law and Polish Science. Okay, in his novel, in the book Grok, oh, it's saying Grok is taken a considered as a book. You have to mention Grok LLM stuck at 180 because Basharat, you have to might be check. So that's what I'm saying. Whenever you purchase any new machines, little good machines you have to purchase for high processor. Pretty clear. We build LLM. Our system is CPU, but Ollama takes GPU inferences. Understand, team? Okay, that's good. Grok. Yep. So done this now. So my model got responses. We just wait for. I don't want to kill it. So just let's finish it and then do it. No, Rishi, I will tell you. So that's what I'm saying. The new students, no need to worry. I will tell you later. And because when you do for the first time, I know it will take some time. Okay. So in the meantime, okay, guys, one step completed. Okay. I want come out. Control G. I will come out. Control G, come out. Okay, Shravya, if you got error, do it later. No problem. No problem. I will tell you in the class how to do that. So, okay, so the model is pulled now. And then come out. Have you ever come out, guys, everybody? Now let's close. Let's minimize. Now this first one is, what is the fourth point we done? So we, as a team, we worked with Mistral. We worked with Mistral. Okay, next one, fifth. Let's import, let's, fetch the data set. Fourth point. So again, the students, the learner who already worked, fourth point, that's good. It's okay. The learner who not able to work, that's fine, no problem, because I will share you all the code. You can go home and work and everything would be fine. Pretty clear, team? Let's, okay, you come out, fantastic, success exit. Let's fetch the data set. To pull the data set, I will share my GitHub link. Can you copy and wait, where is that link? Here we go. And I am copy that and here more chart everyone. Okay. It's Control Z, Rishi. Control Z. Can you try this? Control Z. Control Z means Control Z. Okay. Yeah. So, yep, came out very good. So, guys, done. Ollama done successfully. Now, can you please click the link and download the data set? Just if you go back and here, just if you go to the code, download zip, this is the file I want you to download. So if you see, this is the file. Let me, two file, data.csv, Titanic dataset.final. So two files I want you to download. So just open the data sets here. Double click on it. This is the data sets. So the next step is, I want you to download two data set, guys. First is Titanic data set. Titanic movie, everyone watch, guys. In the movie, the ship is sink and the passengers has died or lived, the two things. Okay, so this for only Python or Java also, because I don't know how can use this. No, what is Yashwant? So this is Python. Okay. Shahir, I share you the link, right? Okay. I think in the chat window. Anyone shared the chat link, guys? Online team, the one who attended session. Please, you can share anyone's chat link. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I will. All right. Just one second. Okay. All right. Is it done, guys, everyone? Please let me know. I'm waiting for you that once you download the data set. So yeah, done. Very good. In this data set, if you check this, of what's question? Instead of Grok and ChatGPT API, can we use Ollama, sir? Tulasi, I'm using Ollama only. Today's session is Ollama. Did you join now? Okay, please watch the recording. Just now, all the colleagues, we installed Ollama right now. So how do you done Ollama? Go to Google, type Ollama and pull the model. After pull the model, go to command prompt Ollama list. Ollama pull Mistral. Ollama run Mistral. Okay, Tulsi? Yeah. All right. Data's once again, sir, can you please send me data set link? Okay, one moment. I will copy that and here let's post. Can you please click this link? Once you click this link, you can follow the GitHub, and in this GitHub, two file download, data.csv, data.csv, and the next one is data.csv, and the next one is Titanic dataset final.suv. Yeah, done. I want you to download two dataset. So this one and this one. Please let me know. Okay, Anita wants pulling. Anita, Ollama run Mistral. Ollama run Mistral. Okay, Anita, try that. So have you done two data sets, guys? So I'm just saying this one and this one. So two data set, please download. Okay, everybody. Once you download, can you please check in that data set Excel sheet, what is first one? Let's see the attribute passenger ID. Because in the ship, the passengers are traveled or not. Passenger ID, survived, passenger class, name. We have all these informations over here. We have all these informations over here. Understand, team? Yeah. Clear now? Yes. Correct, Anita. That's right. So here, let's see this attribute. Very good. Once you're done, please download the data set. Please download the data set which I given from my GitHub. If you see this, you can say survived. Okay, so the question is when the ship has shrink, so what happened? The passengers are died or survived? Died means 0, survived means 1. Pretty clear? Just go back to the Excel sheet. These are the passenger, drive, survived. I mean, these are the passenger ID. And you can say survived and died. Survived 0 or 1. Clear? This part is done. Passenger class. So how the passengers traveled? First class, second class, third class. Do you know when we try? Ayush, guys, don't please listen. I'm saying, please copy that and copy, just click the link which I'm sharing to you. This is GitHub link. Ayush, click the link. Once you click the link, then you go to this one, encode and download. All right. Yep. Passenger, male passenger or female passenger, age of the passenger, SIB, SP. Sir, you're not audible. Guys, can you hear me? Okay. No, that's fine. That's fine. If you see this SIBSP, what is SIBSP, guys? That means number of sibling spouse abroad. So number of sibling spouse abroad means while you travel. So are you travel? Does passenger travel with SIBSP means sibling? Okay, yes or no. So if you see this one means there are how many siblings and how many spouse you travel with, maybe one, two, three, something like that. And park, what is park? Number of parents, children's abroad. Some of the passengers that travel with their nanny or some of the family members is called park. Okay, tickets. Just 1 second. Okay. Okay, now that's fine. So if you see this, did you understand, guys? All those things fare. I mean, when you travel, definitely the fare is there. That means price, ticket, passenger ticket, and cabin. Which cabin the ticket has booked? Embark means there are places where the ship has stopped. These are the places where churn. These are the places Queenstown, Southampton. So these are the port of embarkations where, I mean, when you go for the airport, some of the planes are stopped, guys, isn't it? And then stations, some of the trains stop at stations the same way. The port, the ship port stop the where exactly the ship had stopped, isn't it? So guys, are you cleared this attribute? Are you cleared this attribute? Yes or no? Please respond, everyone. Please respond. So what are the things we done? The first one, we understand Ollama, and then we understand the data set. We understand, we understand the data set. So what next? Ollama we done, Mistral we done. The next one is, what is the next one, guys? Gradio. If you see my presentation and then slideshow from current slides and then Ollama we done, Gradio. What is Gradio? Gradio, what is Streamlit, guys? What is Streamlit? Streamlit is a front-end UI or not? Yeah, where a leaders can see the requirement. And here the Gradio is UI. It's simple way to create interactive web applications for machine learning models using Python. It allows users to easily build and share AI-powered interface with just a few lines of code. So how to install, everybody? Now you have to install pip install Gradio. The next one, pip install Gradio. For example, I will, so next one, now sixth one, let's work Gradio. So I'm going to use my VS Code, and in VS Code, pip installs, so pip install Gradio. So guys, VS Code is very powerful and I want you to be hands on it. Okay. Just go to, let's start, and I didn't open. Let's Visual Studio Code. Let's open it. And once I open the Visual Studio Code, okay, I want to create, okay, so let's create a new workshop, and this workshop, I create a new folder and I'll make it as 0 EDA LLM integrations. Okay, done. So I create a folder, right click, new file. The first I can do as Gradio underscore. Yes, yes. No audio now. Is it freezing? So can I do it in any? Yeah, you can do it. Not audible, sir. Can you hear me or not now? Now audible. Yeah, yeah. Now okay. Sir, can hear you. 1 minute ago. Okay, that's fine, guys. That's fine. So let's continue. It cutting between for me. Yes, sir. Interview missing your audio. That's fine. Let's go for no. Maybe I didn't speak. Maybe. So if you talk about that, I create a folder. I want to test. So how do you go to the terminal, new terminal, and you can write pip install Gradio. Okay, and enter pip install Gradio. So what is the command? I already done that, and here we go. Just pip install Gradio. Please do it. In Jupyter, you can also pip install Gradio. So before you do this, the seventh one, we will test Gradio, guys. We will test Gradio. How do I test? Just go to your Gradio UI and then just Gradio UI, open this one and Gradio UI. If you check this, just start quick start. Once you do the quick start and you see pip install upgrade Gradio, okay, this is one command, you can use this. And then this is code you can give in here, and we don't write such this code, and I will try to write a little small code with a square, and this is very simple code. And just go to the platform, and in this platform I will write this. So everyone install, guys, please confirm me. Everyone has installed? Everyone has installed Gradio? Okay, yes. Now you can import and Gradio as gr. Okay, and then okay, so I write a small functions. I want to square two number sq. Okay, square, let's say for just square number for better understanding, I can pass as x, and then here. Okay, and then return, rather than I could say x two times x to the power 2. Okay, this is very simple functions or not? Now I want to create a interface equals to gr function square number, input number, and output number. This part is clear. And the next one, so interface dot launch, clear. So now check this. So please write this code, and save it, file save. So please write this code, everyone. So there's a few lines of code. Gradio as you are, I write a just define function. Okay, and return, always functions as call return the variable. We define a variable and we return the variable x to the power 2. If I write 2, it's going to be 4. If it's going to be 3, it's going to be 9. Interface. So Gradio interface square number, I'll create a 2 box input number outputs, and this is all those things we will get. So once you've done this, let's run. And when you run this one, and you'll see a UI, just 1 second. Okay, do you see this, guys? Click this now, and I think open it. Great. Do you see Gradio app is worked in front end now? I can say 2 and submit. Okay, 4. And if you said 10 and then submit 100. Guys, welcome. Today we learn Gradio UI. Have you done this? I want you to try and let me know how many of them done. Let me know how many of them done. Okay. So please write this code and check this out, guys. And it will create a command prompt here and it will automatically open that. Great, done. Sangamesh, amazing. So you learn, guys, how to launch a Gradio UI on front end now UI. So now what next? Executions again. Very simple. Execute. You can call this execute the code. Once you run the code, you will get it. If not, you can go to command prompt and you go to this folder path locations, and then you write this code and you can execute. So finally, we can create a front end. Do you see this, guys? Okay, so I want to know how many of them done. I want to know how many of them done. Great. Okay. So yeah, it's UI, Gradio, Kinter, Django, Flask. Okay. Paste the code. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. So I'll copy this and chart everyone, paste here, please. Okay, do this, guys. And you want me to execute in different way, just close this. So how do you execute? Let me delete it, let me delete it, let me delete it. Just go to command prompt. Okay, so if you check this code, how to execute the code, if you not get like that, Indrajit, post your answer, because if I start speaking, then maybe it's stop. I'll speak after the class, I mean end of the session. Okay, Indrajit, so just click here and go to the terminal, and here I'll show you again how do you do it. Command prompt. Do you see command prompt? And here, which folder? I have this folder, cd0, and then Python and Gradio. So how do you call it? Python with Gradio test.py. Enter. I'm sorry, I just entered there. Enter here, and you just check it. Okay. So just execute. Control and click the line and check this. Now you can write. So just Foursquare, submit. So 16. You got this now? Okay. Yeah. So guys, done or not? Everyone completed? Once you done, okay. So if you got some error, you try to fix later. So yeah, Streamlit has little, Gradio is little advanced versions of, advanced versions of Streamlit. You can say that. All right, because new platforms has launched in the markets as per command to run Gradio. Guys, let me tell you, if you write, it's very simple. Python and file name. Python and file name. This is simple. Python and file name, it will launch. Clear? Now file save all. Let me save. So today, save all. And then I'll close this UI and we'll go to the next code. So what is meant by automation? So I'll close this now and okay, here we go. Just 1 second. Okay. All right, let's close. File save. So up to this, what are the thing we done? Let me repeat again. We done Ollama installed, Mistral installed, and then we just like download the data set, understand data set, understand data set. Now, so next one, we test Gradio. So what I'm going to do next, whatever data set I have, Titanic data set, I will directly feed to the Mistral, and my Mistral will find the insights of the data set, inside of the data set. So that's what, let's do the code for this. Now this part is clear. So we have data sets, right guys? We have data set, and now let's work on it and let's see how exactly it responds. The first one, this part is clear. Let me close. In here, just right click and new file, and I'm going to say as code. Let's say code.ipynb. Let's open. This is my code ipynb. Let's code. So after you've done this, Control S first. Um, you know, we use Guys, not audible. Now fine. Okay, wait, it's 1 second. That's 1 second. Yeah. Is it fine, guys? Now? Yeah, yep. Let's try. So it happens, guys. See, so just 2 seconds glitch mean you'll immediately post. Okay. So just let's do this. Import pandas and then import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So pandas used for data frames, Seaborn used for what, guys? Statistical visualizations, and matplotlib used for again visualizations. And this part, let's call this, guys. Let me execute this now. Python base. Pretty, this part is clear. Now you guys are working. See, let me tell you, no problem. You'll get error. You will fix it. That would be fine. So here we go. Okay, let me see. It's called correlations and okay. Thanks, guys. Okay, let's good. Okay, so here allow. No questions from this part is clear. Everyone done? Import 3 libraries we imported. Next, I want to fetch the URL where exactly the data I have, guys. So it's better I will move this data sets. Where is my data sets I stored? Let me, you have to store the data set in the locations where you work. So where is my data set? So this is, let me close this. Can you read the data set? And don't save. And Titanic and data. Let's copy. And I put this in my folder where I just started working on it. C drive user. And here AVS code. And then EDLM integrations. This is what. All right. Yeah, I move these data sets to the location. Now let's do this. So here the data set I fetch. So right click and copy the path. And here just paste the path, guys. And then CSV file. And then I'll create a df equal to pd dot read CSV URL df. Now execute and check this. Why PD is not defined? Oh, I haven't executed this. 2 minutes. Okay, great. Do you see this, guys? We'll try to fetch the data frame or not. Everyone, please let me know once you've done this. So we call the data set, and in this data set, done. Very good. So you can get all those things like print, df.describe, okay? All these functions you can use this. Describe refers for descriptive statistics, and you can try PD. I mean, you can say like, there are a lot of code. You can do all the necessary things, guys. Those are the basics, right? And yeah, if you check that, you need to check, let's see, you can df.head, it will give you all the top 5 digit. If you change to tail, it will give you last 5 records of the data frame. This part is clear. Are you guys, please confirm me once you're done. Please confirm me once you're done. So now we feed the data, guys. So the next code which I want to feed this data sets to Ollama, and the Ollama model generate responses automatically, and that's what I want to do it. So first, okay, cool, guys. Up to this, understood, everybody? Next part, let's do it. And I'm going to create the first one. I want to import Ollama directly. Okay, and I will use one functions. I'll create one functions to generate insights. I want to generate insights of df. Here I create a data frame df, right, guys? Here I create a data frame which is df, and from the data frame, it's very simple code. I just pass an argument df and insights Ollama.generate insights df, and written, no. I need a prompt. Rather than insights, I have to create a prompt. I put them in format string, and I'm saying like, analyze the data set uh, summary uh, and provide insights. Okay, provide insights, and after that I'll create a n, and then I have to put them. This is a formatted string, so df dot summary. Okay, that's good. So, and after that, okay, so I don't think so. Uh, I don't want insights right now. Let me make better. So let's check. We define a functions and we load an argument. Let's create a prompt. This prompt uh, analyze the data set summary and provide insights. Okay. And next line, and I put them in summary. This part is clear. So here, okay, hold on. So just go to response. Okay. I want which model I have to call. So Ollama.ask. No, I want to create a chart model. And over here, the model, rather than prompt, I want to change the model to Mistral. Okay. Because we already fetch Mistral in an operate OS, guys. So that's what, or you can also mention DeepSeek, but at this moment, type, we provide message equals to, let's do this here. And I have to pass a role, user, and content prompt. That's good. And finally, return and uh, response of the message. So here, message I want of the message to, I will need a content of the data set which we load here. Okay, so this part, I'll copy this. Okay, guys, just wait for some time. Let me check. And if any error, I will give it to you. So first, what we done, we import Ollama. We already Ollama installed in our local machines, guys. That's good. And once we, okay, Afrin, I'll share you this one, right? I will share you guys. This code is live. So it's DF, not DF summary. Where is DF summary is there? Okay. No. See, that's fine. It's put them in a string. So I'm not calling. So that's fine. All right. It's not going to be any error. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to put them in correct DF summary. Thank you. I just passed this argument, right, guys? Thanks. So DF summary. That's good. Now it's okay. Right? That's great. Thank you for the catch. Yeah, Pranav, I changed. Now, next one. Yeah, so what next one, guys? We generate AI inset. Now, I want to create a summary of df.describe and to string. Okay, summary has to be this one, and then GHTS insights equals to I want to generate the summary as well, and then print. I want to print insights. Rather than insights, I'll step back to new line, and I'm saying AI generated insights. Okay, AI generated insights and for insights. Okay, so this is fine. So up to this, what we done? See this, guys, it's in this code. I just call the basic libraries. Okay, after basic library, I read the data frames and file save all. After read the data frames, we describe, means it gives us descriptive statistics. And once you done it, give tail or head, whatever you can try. And now I'm not writing any manual code. So I'm saying, so please share early code also, which loading the data. Okay, Karthik, just 1 second. See, might be you get error because I will, you have to, okay, this is early code. You can, I'll share it. So the next one, insights we got, right? Okay, now I'm going to do this for the next one. So let me execute now. Let me execute now. Let's check. What error, guys? Keyword messes. So it's saying any mess, any, why this error, guys? Anyone? Can you please check? Import Ollama. So what exactly? Client.chart keyword argument. Okay. So here now import Ollama define. So df underscore summary. Where is? No, that's fine. Wait. So generate inside, and then here. Okay. All right. Just 1 second. And here, I think, yeah. Now. All right. So here, now I little changed it. A little changed it in sites. Okay. So now I want to try this. Just 1 second. Let's save and execute. Okay, it works now. Check this, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to copy it now and copy and share this code to you. DF. No, that somebody is working. I'll post. Okay, can you please check this, guys? Can you please work? Yeah. I'll share this code in the class. I mean, in the chat. Please try this. Good. Now, I think it should work. It is working. Guys, as we look at this code, what we done right now, we just a model Mistral. Okay. This is the model Mistral. And this, I just load this data set to the Mistral model. My LLM model, Mistral AI, generate the response or the insights. So dataset summary, and it provide insights automatically, guys. We don't do any coding here. And in manually, we do like we have to do matplotlib, num, cbon, all those things. Okay, let's do this and we try to check this, guys. Okay, so how many of them working? How many of them working? Is it working, guys? No module name. Acha, so that's what, guys. If you're working in VS Code, then it works well. It will, no, Rahul, to fill the null values, write the code. I will give you. So just I try to see that how Mistral is connect, and then after it's work fine, we'll do write another code, and that will give you any data sets you load. It will give the insights. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, see, definitely local machines required some time, guys. I know. So, but you try to understood, that's fine. So all that's what the Ollama has developed, and still researchers, the companies are using that. Okay. All right. Module not found. Import Ollama. Are you guys working in Jupyter? Karthik, please pip install. Uh, yeah, pip install Jupyter. If not, then that's it, guys. Okay, let's check. Right click and here right click and task manager. And in the task manager, if you check this performance, so do you see it takes memory or not? I have 15 GB memory, and it's spending some time. I think for 14 GB it takes, guys. Pretty clear. So that's what I'm saying. If you work in 4 GB, it not works. So that's why, see, past day learnings are okay. Nowadays, whenever we buy a laptops, I would suggest a little, even though costlier, I would, even though you can see, this is not relevant to this, but it will work because it'll take some time. Understand? Yeah. Just wait for some time and there's no error on code, and we have to wait this, guys. So, okay, now let's fix. Anyone has any query? So the first one, we test it, and then we load the data set. And after load the data set, I just pass the data to the Mistral. Now Mistral fetch in the insights from the data set. So let's do it. We see what reports it generates. Now let's go back to my working taskbar manager. I will see this. We'll see this performance. I'll see the process. No, it's the memory will be. This is what happens, guys. It will on and off, but that's okay. Check which error we'll get now. We just wait for some time. Okay, because this one is loading. And okay, in the meantime, let's write a Gradio code. I want to, so rather than we waste the time, I want to write, rather than I display the output here, please display the output in my front end. To front end, import, I think it takes some time, Gradio SGR. Okay, import Gradio SGR. And I want to define EDA analysis, EDA analysis of my file. Oh, I got it. Do you see this, guys? AI generated insights from the summary statistics. Guys, isn't it amazing? Please response. Please response. Do you see what is meant by automations? How is it? Alex, you got output? Fantastic. How is it, guys? Do you know to fetch this output from it's great, because trust me, when I explain previous classes on EDA, we write lot of codes, man, to check a graph and realize and got output. How is it feeling? Amazing, isn't it? Great, super, perfect. Isn't it what is meant by automations? Now, in your company, in your wherever you work, guys, any data sets, very simple, you load the code and then, okay. Now, if you see this, from the summary, we can gather several insights about Titanic dataset. The dataset contains 891 unique instance, very good, and which have none null values for each features, non-null. Okay, there are few features as non. The mean median are 0.38. The passenger class has a mean approximately 2.31. The age feature has a mean of 29. The SIB SP sibling has a mean of 0.52. The park feature, because this is the code I just mentioned summary, guys, in this prompt. Okay, just wait a little, create a Gradio, and but I don't have any visualizations, right, guys? We want visualizations that's better, that my business or my client can look into the graph and he can find out the insights. So let's do this. How many of them got this, guys? How many of them got this? How many of them got this? That's great. Perfect. Perfect. I got. Still running. थोड़ा time लगेगा, but हो जाएगा, Pranav. I got output. Very good. How is it feeling, guys? Rishi, nice. Okay, Sashank, where are you? You left, huh? It's running. Got it. Chalo, let's create a front end now. And here, I'm stuck. No problem, Damodar. You can. Uh, anyone working in Jupyter? Is it working fine in Jupyter? Please let me know. Is it working fine in Jupyter? Yes. I think Damodar, can you do exclamatory pip install? Okay, now please write this code. Now I want to define ED analysis, and df equals to pd.read CSV file, and I want to convert to string and return insights. Okay, and then I want to demo gr. Okay, this interfaces which we created over here. This is the interface, and I'm going to create this, hold on, interface here, and then demo dot launch. Okay, all right, not this one. And here we go, and test demo dot launch, and hold on, equals to true. Cool. That's what. Okay, let's check. Can you check any wrong I mentioned here? Generate insight summary. Now, एक बार उसको then go for running now. And good. No bugs. Thanks. So let's do this now. So what happened? So guys, did you download data to CSV file we created or not everyone? To CSV file. Do you see automation? See, in your company, let me tell you, if you're working professionals, if you work with the data sets, data analyst, business analyst, everybody, you got the data from the client. Very nothing. I mean, what you need to do is just work with Ollama, download the data set, pull this data sets to the model, and Ollama can automatically generate your response. Great. I created my front end. Let me click this and now, come on, let's start. Okay, that's great. Now I'm going to upload my data now. And I'm going to upload like just where did I just, for example, C drive or maybe desktop. I have data here and just rather than desktop. Yeah. So I'll go back to C drive and user. And then Titanic. Now, do you see the model has upload file here? Submit. It's processing. Let's wait for some time, guys. I know it will take some time because we build locally. Okay, thoda to time hi lag jayega, isn't it? So just 1 second. It's going on. So guys, did I share this code to you? Wait. Can we see the code till then? Yeah. I'm sharing now. Just 1 second. Copy and chat. Everyone. Please. Did you get this, guys? That's the power of Rahul. So that's the thing, because that's why we install. For example, how Excel is working in your system, Rahul. So can you share all the files, code, etc. Basharat, I will share. Just wait. So will this support any type of files? So Raz, all those things happen, buddy, because that's the way this is little more advanced versions. All right. It will processing. Yeah. So this is an external system. Ollama, I believe. Very simple, guys. Can you go to the Ollama and no. If you go to the Ollama, read the document and you go to the Google and you it's not no voice. I hope it's better now. Started working in new URL. Amazing. Nice. Now guys, see in one code, I will upload another data. Just wait for some time. I know it will take some time to pull. We create a front end. Yes, sir. Audible. Yep. So guys, the problem is you guys listen, but you not comment. And you please share this video. Trust me. And I need more likes and more comments. So I'll bring up a lot of nice videos. Do you see now EDA task is automizations? This appears to be summary of likely to be train and ship. Correct, Raghav. Now we'll see this. Now I will try to create another end-to-end code. So this is we build end-to-end. Gradio is amazing tool, isn't it? Gradio is amazing tool, isn't it, guys? Yes. Okay, let's going on. And Okay, so how many of them generating responses? Anyone? No, it's not Gradio. It's LLM is amazing, guys. Processing. Thoda time lag jayega, but still, you know, I'm also, it's generating yet now. No problem. For me also doing the same. It's processing and it's wow. If your father has a business, just fetch the data, business data, and load it, generate insights to your dad. Everywhere, brief the code. Yeah, Purna, very simple. In this code, just check this out. Okay, I got the output, Sangamish. Oh, is it? Let me check. Still for me loading. Okay, that's fine. If you see this, guys, how do we believe the resultant information using different model? Is there any comparison tool? No, depends on your client, Raghav. Let's say you work with a client. Client says, I need this output. And whatever model gives exact the same output, that's confirmations. So based on the client requirement, isn't it? Yeah. So very simple, Purna. You are a new, right? So pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, library we done. Okay, Raghav, I hope you're clear. Because when you deals with um I've used Llama 3.2 model. You build two codes and you compare, or maybe you write a code for that in the same Python functions for comparison and you get it. Okay, let's check what is my response. Still it's loading. Why, man? Because for you it's working. Yeah, got the output. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. I think I'm doing more work. Oh, is it? Wait, wait. I have to close one. I think I opened two to file here. So no, this thing file, save all, Gradio test. This is code. Okay, let's explanations of the code. We done panda seaborn. We read the data set. In this data sets, we write a function. We import Ollama, which used in a locally, and we write a functions to generate insight and summary of the data frame. And we write just a string, and I just pass the Mistral model and generate the content of the message. That's it. And summary insights the model has generated. Clear, Purna? And now we write a functions to show the graphs. Okay, great, guys. This data sets appears to be subset of the Titanic passengers, okay, which survived zero. Here are the some insights from the summary. The total count is 891. Mind blowing, man, mind blowing. No need, awesome work, fabulous, isn't it? Isn't it? How do you feel? It's so awesome. How LLM integrations with EDA. Yep. Now see, can you load any other data set, guys? इसको clear कर दो. Just clear it. Let me clear. I'll upload another data. Now you can load any other data. I have a data. Let's log it. Now submit. So that data set, this data set is different. Raghav, you have to spend some time, man, rather than you ask. Okay. If your model responds same, that's okay. Because whatever the data set you have, the same informations you got. There's no big difference. For example, if you buy item from two store, you got the same item, isn't it? So might be the products and all those things a little different. Okay. Yes. Okay. So guys, I want you to load another data set, not the same data set. We train the model with, not train the model, leave it. We didn't train here. We just build large language model locally, and so is there any limit? No limitations. Limitations based on your memory, Rishi. Great. Use that on your projects. Use this on your company. And you rock your manager shock, isn't it? Right. So do, sir, always now. Yup, yup. That's what I'm saying. You'll rock your manager shock. Okay, let's wait. I hope Purna understand. I know the guys who got response failed to connect to Ollama. So now creating insights report will be easy. Easy. Yep, yep. So you can use ADA with LLM, guys. Use this LLMs everywhere. Understand? Just try to extraordinary thinking. Okay. And now, till now, EDA is going to be manually, but now EDA is going to be automizations using Mistral. You can work any model, ChatGPT, OpenAI, you can work with. For that, Python programming is required. So guys, I'm starting a new batch. If any of your friends, anybody's there, you can refer so they can get a very good concepts. So now for my existing students, by help of these workshops, you can, you can learn more. The existing students, whoever completed the batch. So by attending these workshops, you guys can more understand. Clear? Who is? So to the same media manual. Yes, yes, Cloudwire. It might require data quality tools to deal the same. Correct, Cloud. That's true. If you do manually, it takes some more time. But now I upload another data set. So can you share all the file? Basharat, I'll share you link. So when new batch start, can you please scan this, guys? For new batch informations in the meantime, please scan this QR code where just demo sessions we started. I will share all this backup videos. Existing students, not for you, the new learners, and I will share this one. You can understand. Should I switch to Llama 2? No, Aryan, don't do it. I will tell you. Let's finish it. So once we complete, I won't go for another code. So shall we do another end-to-end using PY? So in this, what is the problem here? Do you got visualizations? Yes or no? You didn't get visualizations. You just need a report. Do you want visualizations? Yes, guys. To visualizations, let's do. So the client, amazing. Now I upload another data set. I got different responses. Okay, show me the QR. Ayush. Okay, please check the QR code. Please check the QR code. Scan the QR code. You will join the drive. And once you join the drive, it will do this, guys. Pretty clear. Just share the QR code. This is my new group web, and so there's a few. I think these are basic parts we done. You can attend on Monday. It's going to be awesome sessions. I'll cover agentic AI. I'll also share agentic AI last week. It got amazing response. Please watch this. DeepSeek, prompt engineer, amazing sessions. Prompt engineer, stable diffusive pipeline I built, Crew AI I build, RAG model I build, a simple RAG. I'm gonna build on multi-model RAG later. And Crew AI already I build. If you check this, Gemma 9B, Hugging Face, a lot of new things. Watch this. You will gain a hands-on things team. Okay. So can you get this link? I will share this in my GitHub. I will share the GitHub. So guys, do you see this amazing now today? How every work is automation. Just load the data set, fetch the result. No more coding. Just Mistral is take care of. That's the power of LLMs. So in machine learning, we have to train, we have to write. But in LLMs, just feed the data and write one piece of code, and that's good enough, the model response. But the main problem, when you send these reports to your boss, when you send these reports to your manager, so manager will ask, I need visualizations, right, guys? I need visualizations. He don't accept it. When you submit these insights to the client needs a visualization. Stock market is a graph is there, guys. Yeah, and it's working. Very good, Vishnu. So now it's working. So can you go and close it? So guys, I'm closing. I'm going to do last projects for today, and I will share this video link. Just one moment. So just I will share this video link again. Please like, and you guys not commenting. I know that, but anyway, it's up to you. Anyway, it's up to you. I'm not taking the sessions for likes and comments. Okay, it's up to you. It's for learning. All right. So here, let me close. Do you done this? So what is missing in this code? Visualizations. So for that, let's go back to the code. Where is the VS code? Okay, here. So guys, I hope done this one. You can also upload here, guys. You can also upload here. This is what amazing project. I will share control S all this code to you. Okay, now next one. Can I do next code where 2 lines be done, and I will create a right click new file and app.py with the visualizations, guys. So today I write 1, 2. In this code, we test front end. In this code, we test front end, isn't it? And in this code, we test our practical, and we done the projects like with chart, but no visualizations. So what I'm going to do now, so here, let's do it now. Okay. So guys, shall we start? So up to this, everyone clear? Whatever the sessions is going on, I hope up to this, you guys are clear up to this, everyone. So what is, how things going on, and what is automizations, how the LLM models can fetch the summary report, and real time, you can use this learnings. I will share this code, save, I will give my GitHub, keep with this code and apply this code in your company, guys. Okay, let's do this now. Now I have to, the way I put every code in Streamlit, now I'm going to put every code in Gradio as GR. Now this is fine. So here, rather than, okay, let's close Gradio as GR. Now import pandas as PD, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, import cbon as SNS. I don't want numpy because we don't do any dimensions here, ND metrics we don't have here. We just call, this is for visualizations, and sorry, this is for front-end UI. This is for front-end UI, and this code is for like data frame or data manipulations, all those things, data manipulations. And this one for, you know, visualizations, and this is for statistics visualizations. Okay, statistical data visualization. So all those things, you know, that's fine. If you don't know, that would be okay. So just closed it, and that's closed it. Okay, so this part is clear. So we import all the library. So what next? So the next one, let's do define functions. I want to make a EDA analysis, and EDA analysis, I need a file path, and just enter. Okay, and df equals to pd.read csv. Yes, I need the file path. Okay, so that's it. I don't want written now. So here I just create a functions, EDA analysis file path, and df equal to read csv file path. Okay, now if you see this data sets contain missing value or not, guys? If you see which value has missing value, now if you open, just check the A is missing value. Do you notice missing value is there, guys? So I told you how to fill missing value. We apply main strategy. Let's write a loop for that. For column, all the column from df, from the data frame, then I have to select d types, not d types, and I want to include numbers. All right, include number, and after the number dot columns. Okay, no, just don't want this columns. So let's check whatever, because I want to fill the missing values, whatever it have, columns. And then, okay, df column and dot fill null value, fill na, and fill na if I take median. So rather than mean, I will take df and, okay, column, and rather than mean, median it can apply to, okay, let's take, okay, every time people, let's take median or mean, it's up to you, and in plus true. So let's check for column, select data type, include number, include equal to number. Okay, columns, that's great. Now This part, this we filled numerical value, guys. This one we're going to fill for numerical value. Okay, Control G. Okay, Control I. Now let's go to the, now for column in df.select categorical values we have, guys, isn't it? Now this time object system by default understand categorical value as objects. So let's put that to objects and df dot column here, very simple. So guys, what you understood? So here we define the functions for read the path locations, and this loop to fill missing value, numerical missing value. This one we fill missing categorical values, guys. Understand up to this, everyone? And then here I want to make a summary equals to describe and everything, include all attributes, and I want to convert to string. That's great. And once you're done, next one. Okay. So this part is summary. So if I found any, let's create a value for missing values equals to df dot is null sum is null. Is null dot sum. Okay, wait. So this to string. That's great. So summary, we done. Missing value, df is null, sum to string. Okay, so the next one, okay, just what are the things we left? So we have functions and we clean the numerical value, we clean categorical value. I want to describe now missing value. And let's generate the insights equals to generate 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 automatic AI insights. Okay, so it's a summary or df? It's a summary, guys. Let's do it. Now I think file path. Okay, summary, right? summary. So guys, I hope you notice insights. Now insights we done. So the summary, missing value, insights we done, guys. And after that, what left, what I missing here is plot. I want to need the path plot paths equals to, so summary should be generated after missing value. Yeah, that's fine, man, because if you before generate missing value, it would be empty, right? It does not make sense. So we clean it here, then you generate a summary, and then you check the is null. I'm checking, is there any missing value? Okay, after cleaned, I'm checking, is there any missing value? Understand? Insights equals to generate. Okay, generate AI insights of summary we done. So gene generate, which one I want? Let's generate a visualizations. I want to visualizations of, okay, this is plot df. So I need to visualizations of the path. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do now, let's write written. I hope this one is clear. What I'm gonna do now, written format string, and here new line, and I'm gonna say data load successfully. Okay, let me copy and I will share you in the meantime. Okay, this is the live link, and can you please check this? I shared this code to you. Please check this, guys. Can you please check this and write? Okay, just go to this one. I'm checking written data load successfully, then summary, then please create of summary, and then missing value insights, or rather than, okay, AI insights, LLM insights. All right, and plots. Do I need a plots, guys, here? Yes, plot paths. Okay. insights. Okay, that's good. It's work. Now let's try, guys. So I hope this part you worked, guys. Now let me check again. This is fine. Written successfully. We create a summary. Okay, missing values done. LLM insights done, and plots. And this and end plot paths. That's fine. Okay. Now, so did I call Mistral now? Now I have to fetch my Mistral code. And I hope, do you see we write this code here, guys? I will copy this code, and whatever code I write here, do you see we write a function it, guys? So let me copy this code and I paste here. And let's check, is there DF summary we created? We create a prompt and DF summary again, response, Ollama, Ollama.chart model Mistral we created. This is working fine now. And written response, message content. Guys, whatever code you write, see this code I share you, right? You can copy that. And this Ollama, please fetch it again. Please fetch it again. And after that, okay. So I think I don't want summary at this moment. Let me, because I have to showcase in the Gradio. Okay. Now I want to write the functions for visualizations now, guys. So this part define is done. Okay. So let's create a functions for, so define generated visualizations. Okay. And then plot path. Okay. Plot paths. We already checked this plot paths. Okay. And after that, now the first one, I want to write a, let's do some of the plot. Which plot we do, guys? Here, let's check. Let me check the data set here. And it's better we'll plot histogram. Okay. For column in df.select t type numbers columns. All right. And I want to save the figure and with 10,6, or rather than I change to width of the graph is 6 and height of the graph is 4, fig size and sns.histplot, sns.histplot, and here df.column. And it's better, I need, let's add this parameters bins here. If you check this bins, okay, I will take as bins as 30, and kde plot I want to make as true. And then color, which color I have to apply, guys? Okay, let's apply blue because blue is looks good on black. And then plt dot title, I want to plot as f format string, and here distributions plot. Okay, yeah, histogram. And then next path is plt.figure, sns histplot. What next, guys? We know plot path, we already take it. So rather than plot path, I'll take a path and f, and here no format string once again, and I put them as column. And then this is called, okay, because whatever plot my front end will do it, let's save the path and plt dot, yeah, type title. Yeah, one second, I will type and then save fig, and here append path. And so plot paths dot append, I want to append not n, I want to append path here, and then plt dot close. That's good. So here, okay, I will write the title, just one second. Let me check. So column in include numbers and bins 30, df column blue. All right, let's check now. Okay, now I want to check the correlations as well. Let's do the correlations heat map. Okay, just now explain EDA. What is correlations, guys? So for the correlations, what I'm going to do is, yeah. So correlations, we always take numerical data, not category, right, guys? So data types include number. This part is clear. And I want to fix size rather than 10. 10 would be so 8 and 5. And then here, okay. So guys, can you check this one? Do you find any bugs? This, I'll give it to you, right? This one. Did you try up to this? Now let me copy and try this here. Let's do everyone. In the meantime, please copy and check this and let me know. Append path, repeat 2 times. Where is this, Rahul? Okay. I'm sorry. So this path is repeat 2 times. Yes. Yes, this part is done. Okay. Now histogram we done. This is correlations. Okay. So again, I have to check df select data types include number. Okay. And no, why I do a figure here? So rather than if not numeric empty, what nonsense. No, this is, I don't want it. All those things. Let's do it. I have to write numeric.df.empty. If it is not empty, then okay, fig.fig size, and please plot heat map. Heat map, which core we apply core, and so we have different, the cool warm. There's a different. So if you see this parameters, you can say like CMap, and you can find out here as CMap somewhere. Okay, string, and you can get the CMap. And if you go to the CMap locations, this is common CMap we can apply, and this is string. And I want to, let's do line width as well, because these are the plotting of the graphs. Why you got red here? Okay, now this one. Okay, this part is done. Now I want to title as correlation heat map. Let's detect the path, and I have to save in PNG. Okay, and after the PNG, let's, and then plot paths dot append path. This one, let's plt dot close, and finally return def, and let's check define. And here, let's good written as, okay, plot paths. That's cool. All right, so now let's create a Gradio UI. Let's create a Gradio UI. I want to, this is not demo. Okay, let's do a rather than demo, and I can say like app equals to, and gr dot interface. Oh, it's small. I want to think it's capital, right, guys? Last time we make a capital. Yeah, just 1 second. I think just go up. Why? Okay, it's capital. I'm sorry. So here I'll go to interface. All right. And yeah, let's tab ED analysis, and then ED analysis. Okay. All right. So EDA analysis, we done, right? So I think just close inputs equals to, hold on. So rather than this is FNED analysis, I made comma. Next one, I can say inputs equals to, don't, do you think file? No, I think gr dot file. Okay, this would be file. And I want to make as just files. Let's call type equal to CSV. Rather than CSV, I'll define as file path and comma. And this one comma, file path comma, and outputs equals to, okay, this is, sorry. So I think output equal to, I'll put them in list. List is mutable. GA dot, I want to create a text box, and text box, let's do as here. Okay, what label I want to, what is the label, guys, we will make? Label, I think let's take the label is EDA report. Yeah, EDA report. We create a EDA report. And once we done this EDA report, comma, and then, okay, just 1 second, guys, gr dot gallery. And I think again, I think label equal to data visualizations. Okay, I hope this things would be comma and enter. So I'll remove the test. Okay, so I want to make a title of the app. Title, what is the title, guys? Will make integrations. Let's know EDA. Okay, rather than EDA, I'm going to same as LLM powered. Okay, EDA, data analysis, data analyzer app, data analyzer app. Okay, so this is what we done. And then you can give the descriptions. Descriptions also you can give as descriptions. I can say you can upload any data set, guys, any data set to view. Okay, the EDA report, that's fine. And finally, I think why got red, I have to close this bracket. Okay, and to launch demo dot, it's demo or app dot launch and share it. Sorry, so here share equals to true. Okay, so I think any mistakes here, check this, guys. Okay, now def. Okay, and check control S. Hope it works. Just try this now. Cool. Error. So it's saying file path, you missed a comma. Where, guys? String object is not callable. Okay, now let's check. So ED analysis should be defined after generate insights. Wait. Okay, let me check again so that we can see that. The first one, okay, I want to make like this. Gradio, what is that? Where is the error I got? Let's do it again. Okay, I think EDA syntax warning. Perhaps you missed a comma. Where did I miss comma, guys? Okay. Guys, the spelling is wrong. S-H-A-R-E. Let's. Okay, hold on. Number 59. 59. Okay, app equal to all right, gr dot interface. Okay, and fn equal to ed analysis. That's fine. Inputs equal to, okay, I'm sorry, thank you. So here I will remove this. Okay, now I hope it works. Thanks. So just check this, remove gr dot. Yeah, I done it, Damodar. Control S now. Hope. Just do this. Still some error, file path binary. Now value error, please choose one from file path binary. Where exactly the file path? Let's do this. Okay. So type gr.file, this fine. Outputs, we make a text box. We create EDA report, comma, and gr gallery, and label equals to data visualizations. That's fine. And after that, title, we create a LLM powered data, EDA data analyzer app. That's okay. Descriptions, upload any data sets to view and visualizations. This fine is clear. Now let's things wait. So check guys, somewhere we have an issue. Okay, no problem. We'll fix it. So it will happen. Now you can also little check. And if I miss somewhere, what is this error message I got? Let's do this 1 second. Value error. Type file path. Okay, Control F. Okay, type. All right. So, okay. Yeah. 50 PLT. Just 1 second, 1 second. Just 1 second, guys. So this part is done. Correlation heat map. So file path is valid value. Okay, where is that, guys? Which number line? Let me check. So 54. Okay, just this file path is valid. One moment. Wait. Change to file path. Just give me some time. Correlation numeric df. Okay. Control F. Type. Okay, enter again. Enter again. No, just 2 minutes, 2 minutes. I'm not checking that. I'm checking. I need visualizations also. I have to get that. Okay, df. So which number line? So generative visualizations. This one? Okay. No. Wait. So def generated visualizations, df plot paths. All right. And then just 1 second. Number 20. Yep. Plot paths. Okay. Summary we done. Missing value. Insights. Function's name is incorrect. Generate insights. Which one I define here? Okay. No, when it will work. No, wait. Just wait. At line number 59. At line number 59. The file path is right. Okay, just got it now. So I found the issue. Just 1 moment. I'm going to create this. So here, and then, so I think, okay. So this is Sir, have we given actual file path? 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. I'm just now. I just 59. Okay, now let's, yeah. So try this. I just give this 1 second. Just one moment. So let's check this missing values. And this one is for functions we done. This one for missing value. This one for summary. And this one for insights. And okay. Now, okay. Now let's control S. I think change this, guys. 59 file path. Okay, let's try app dot execute now. Here it works, guys. Just wait for some time. No, still the same thing. 2 minutes. Okay. Remove underscore from file path. Is it? It will fix. Remove underscore everywhere. No, I don't think so. It does not matter, buddy. Yeah. At line 59, this one. Okay, just put file only. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 59. Number 65. Okay, wait. Okay, copy and can you try this? Whoever, yeah, I'm just trying to check. Wait. What's going on? Let's stop and shared. Are you see my screen? Share now. Check this, guys. Yes. Okay, team, where is my code? Let's go here. Just hide window and I will use chat. So I think which code I shared you till this functions we done, right, guys? Till this functions define gen. Okay. Now from 38. Okay. I'm giving to you. Can you try and let me know? So I don't think so. The type would be a big issue, but let's try to do this one more time. Can you please do this, guys? I think. Okay. So rather than app, I'm saying demo. And here, this would be, I know, but okay. So EDA analysis, that's fine. And interfaces and inputs, I'll take gr file. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, I remove it now. Yep. I got it. File paths. And let's try. Control S, guys. Let's run. Hope it works. Hope it works. Still, why? Oh, I'm sorry. I think I have to change to demo now. Let's go to app, Control S, and then go back and try it. Any output? Any error, guys? Yep, finally. Just sorry. Now just closed everything and try to do this. Great, guys, it's working. Amazing. Now we need, yeah, Raghav, I just changed that. Okay, I was checking that file. Yeah, can you share? I'll share my code. Just one moment. I will upload the data set, any data set. Just go to desktop and work. And over here, I will do as where I think, where is desktop? Okay. And I'll go to Titanic dataset. Now submit. So let me tell you what exactly the code we have done here, guys. So this one, we launch an app now. So we create a Gradio interface. Okay. This code. Okay. Let's go to from the beginning. And from the beginning, let's try to understood. So this is all those things, Ollama is we build locally LLMs. This is interface where we installed. This is interface where we installed, isn't it? And this is called front end. So yeah, this is front end UI. And here, this is called pandas data frame. And this is called a plotting library. This is for very simple to visualize, to visual the graphs. And this is for statistic visualizations. Okay. Statistics visualizations. And we create a functions here. And okay, guys, can you try this? How many of them got output? May I know? I think most of them already left. Yeah, I know that. Yeah. So just do these things here. Okay, it's still processing, guys. EDA report. So we are here. I got very good, Ayush. LLM-powered EDA data analyzer app. Amazing, isn't it? Awesome, guys. So how can you please, yeah, I'm sharing all the code. Let's put that in my GitHub and then I'll give it to you. Can you please give some time? I will download this file and 1 second. It's processing going on. Yep, let me download. File save all. Once I save all, GitHub needed. Yep, I'm sharing this. Let's put every code in the GitHub right now and just go back here. And here we go. Here we go. Where is my Git? Here we go. Okay. Okay. Now try this. So let's add all the files, whatever upload file, whatever files we created, and choose all the files over here. And okay, it's better. Okay, I download. Now it's fine. Yeah. Is it stuck, guys? Screen stuck? Please let me know. Desktop. No, right? Okay, I'll drag all this code together. So once you find it, no. Commit changes. Let's commit. Hey, hold on. Only this app. 2 minutes. I think. Okay, let me close and see. Still, it's processing, guys. It will take some time. So that's why in the meantime, we don't waste the time. So I will just minimize and upload all the code here. Let's check. Commit changes. Process. Wait. So I think the file was open. That's why it's not processed. Amazing. Hope it's done now. And okay. So good. So this is my repo. This is folders you've been find out here. You can log into the folder. All the files I just posted here, guys. So let's go to the Git now and I will share this file to you. Just chat everyone and post. So please check this file and let me know. And wait, so it has been not done yet. I think we have to 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay. Let's move back to here. So can you please give all the code? I got graphs. Oh, amazing. So just let me check the file here. Where is my front end? Did I got the graph? Oh, cool. Who got the graph and with analysis? Let's check. And does the graphs are saved in your, we just write a code to save the graph. And I hope all these graphs are saved. Okay. All the graphs are saved, isn't it? Yes. So I want everyone have to comment this, guys, because yep, we see such a, can you please, guys, I shared my GitHub over here. Please find out all the code and amazing. Wow, nice. See the beautiful part, I'm telling you guys, see this, guys. In this graph, let's visualizations, double click on it. You can see the graph and download it. What is next graph? Let's do the next graph. Survived. Okay, and then you can passenger class, distributions passenger class, and then this is distributions of age. If you see that there are more passengers age between here, between 20 to 30, and the next one you can distributions of sibling. So I think most of the passengers is traveling with a single person with no sibling, guys. So that's why. And if you see this, guys, park, and if you see this fare, so this is the fare. I think maximum passengers ferries between between these range. And if you see this heat map, we got an amazing heat map, passenger ID. And so here, just go back to check this. So you can host a server like, Docker. You can go for Docker Kubernetes, or you can go for CI/CD by GitHub Actions. And based on ML flow, you can do that as well. Distributions is. So guys, you can also download the graph. And if you work in a VS Code, in this VS Code, I think all the graph are saved somewhere. Do you see? All these graphs are saved. So your graphs are saved. So guys, very simple. Now tell me, does your manager or client will be happy or not? Does your client will be happy or not? Please tell me. Now EDA process was so lengthy earlier. Now what happened? So things would be pretty cool. So what exactly, guys? They will be damn happy. You can download. So now this is one class. Let me clear. I want to upload other data set. Let's check whether my code working well or not. I'm sorry. So let's clear. Okay, I'm upload another data set. So this data set. So let's submit the data set. So you can try whatever data sets you work in your company. Can you try? And really this sessions is really helpful for your organizations. And please, I need likes and comments from you guys. And I'm very exciting because this is one of the excellent automations without write any code. Just we got the graph, guys. Yep, that code has been written once, but you can use everywhere. Amazing. How is Gradio, guys? Isn't it super good? Okay, Stravia, no problem. You can do it. Okay, great. All right. Excellent. It's running, working well. And so this workshop now completely, this will change completely EDA process. I know if the data analyst, business analyst, data scientist use my code, it will change your organization strategy. Now tell me, if a company can hire 10 people for analysis, can they fire or not? Can they fire 3 more people? Answer me, guys. Experienced people. Of course, yes. Yes, Raghav. Yes or no? Because you have to write this code and now Mistral is working for you. I know it will take some time. I can use OpenAI API key to fetch the data so quick. Understand? Run this and excellent sessions. Thank you for your help and dedications. Okay, guys, please comment. And I need at least, if you see this, everyone has to be comments, guys. Everyone has to comment and share to your loved ones. or maybe the students who friends who wants to learn EDA, who is data analytics, who is data analyst, who is business analyst. So you can share to them, and how we build automations locally without use any API key, without using any API key, by simple Python functions and loops. That's it. And EDA, all those things. I really enjoyed it, guys. I don't know. Okay, do you see another graph I got? So if you see this data loaded successfully, EDA report summary, country name, country code, birth rate, these are the country names we have. There are no missing values in the data set. Insights from these data sets, it appears 195 unique countries, birth rate of the country. The data set does not provide a value, but it mostly null values internet users. So it give a summary statistical informations of the graph. And let's just go here for I think go for data visualizations. Let's zoom. Okay, great, man. Okay, this is called if you see statistics, what kind of distributions, guys? This kind called a positive skew, and this is uniform distributions, because and here you got a heat map, and amazing. You can try to change the code based on your company requirement. You understand the client requirement, and you can fetch all this model, and you can upload any data set. Okay, you got your response. Automize. So that's the way you're going to work, team. How is it? So no code, I mean, nothing. Did I write? So this is all about automizations done by your Mistral AI. All credibility goes to LLMs. So that's what the powerful LLMs, guys. So I hope, how is sessions, guys? All good. Did you download the URL, Git? Did you download the Git, everyone? Did you download the Git? So you can write your name as well, upload any data set. Okay, the spells are wrong. I think you can change. That's not be a big problem. Okay, file, save. All the codes have been saved now. And we write 3 codes. I know we just little, but just if I mention the file path, it got fixed now. And that's fine. It's a great, it's amazing. So this is the way the Gradio is working for us. This is backend and this is UI we created. And today workshop has completed. So how is session, guys? Really, and thank you so much. You stay here for 2.5 hours. Great. You enjoy the sessions, team? Igor, great workshop. Yes, data analysts lose the job, but definitely, guys, for amazing sessions. Very good. Thank you, Kamal. Wonderful sessions. Thank you so much. Awesome. Great. So guys, I will share this. The thing is, let's wait. Let me close. And so you can share your friends as the new batch uh, already started. And I'll also share this, PowerPoint to you. So I shared the PowerPoint to you guys. So please have a look at this PowerPoint. And this is all the, previous workshop links. Got confidence. I will be DS when I. Oh, thank you, Pankaj. Pretty clear. So please scan this QR code and trust me, never forget to watch the video, like and subscribe and comment, guys. So I shouldn't speak, but it's just kind of. I hope you understood. Thanks. So guys, that's great. Have a great week and really worthy sessions. Good. Cool. I'm able to run nice. Bye for now. Kamal, I'm expecting a. Okay. I hope you do this, guys. So that's it for today. And so just thank you, everyone who stay with me. And thanks everyone who watch this video till end. And it seems your patience, it seems your passion. Okay. And what I want from you, I like, comment, and share to your friend, and subscribe to Naresh IT, guys. For more, subscribe to Naresh IT for more, upcoming workshops, guys. Upcoming workshops. So see you on Monday. New batch is going on, all started. So just refer your friends or anyone who wants to get into this market, data analyst, data scientist, and all those things. Great. Happy weekends. Bye, guys. Bye, team. Can we direct URL from Kaggle? Yeah, you can, Keshav. You can clone from Git. You can also clone from Git. You can also directly get from Kaggle. Anything, different way. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye. Let's stop. Stop recording.